Hi, I'm Sheila Smith, and I have some exciting stuff today. It's because I've received a brand new wig, and I'd like to do an unboxing. Here it is, still basically wrapped. I have not opened it yet. It is Beverly Hills by BelleTress. The color is buttered toast. I've never worn the color buttered toast before, so we'll also check out a new shade. So I'm taking it out of the box. Here she is. It's a little darker than I'm used to, but it's got some highlights. Oh, I love the front highlights. Look at these front accents. I don't have the exact descriptions of the links and such right here with me, but I will put them in the description box. It is so soft. It feels like my own hair. I don't know how to explain it any better. It's beautiful. So it's got the top has a left part monofilament, and it has a lace front. It's an open wefted cap. I believe they've just changed their caps, and that's why they're trying to sell out of the current collection. It has Velcro adjusters, and I usually don't mess with adjusters very much unless the wig is huge. I can't wait to try her on, so give me a minute and I'll swap out. This is my tried and true everyday Raquel Welch top billing in 18 inches, and this is a golden wheat rooted color, and that one back there is one that I wear every once in a while, and it's a shaded ice cappuccino color, but it is the same exact wig. I can't wait to try this on. So I've just put on Beverly Hills by BelleTress, and I have not looked in the mirror yet. I'm looking now. Here we go. Oh my gosh, this hair is luscious. It is so beautiful. I love the layers. I didn't realize how layered it was. Oh my goodness. This is to die for. I love it. I know a lot of people don't like bangs in their face, but I like a little bang in my face. I'm really enjoying looking at this wig. It's beautiful. I'll turn to the right. And I'll turn to the left. It's got a little, no permatease. It's just got body, and it is fabulous. It's not laying down flat, and it's not so thick that it doesn't look real. It's so perfect. It is so perfect. I'm loving it. The layers are gorgeous. It is a very long wig. I'll put all the measurements in the description box. And there's the part. Can you see the part? And Oh my goodness, this is just beautiful, beautiful. I don't know what else to say. So Beverly Hills by BelleTress. It's amazing. I might have to get another one. Yep. There's so much you could do with it. I mean, I could flip this back if I wanted, but I don't want. I could flip it back. I could probably even do a low. Could work. So let me show you the hairline. It looks so good. Look at that hairline. It's beautiful. I'm so happy. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we're going to be giving another wig away soon. We just had a winner this past week of the Alva wig by Noriko, and this next few weeks or so we will be giving away another wig, so you'll need to stay tuned and enter to win. It's free. I'm just giving it away. Thank you.